What's up?
Cat, Dev.
Dev, cat, Dev. Cat Dev. New Market Girls.
Yeah. We're back.
You may know us because many moons ago we used to do cookbook
Yeah,
reviews.
I honestly don't remember when the last one was.
And then we stopped.
I don't know why.
Not on purpose.
Yeah, it just kind of stopped.
We just got distracted by other ideas.
Yeah.
Food trucks, you know.
But I have a ever-growing pile of cookbooks that we need to review, so we're getting back into it.
So, what are we reviewing today?
Natural Flava. I've never heard of them until I bought this book. I found it at like a discount cookbook or discount bookstore in Canada. It's by Craig and Shaun McAnuff.
Yeah.
They don't just do vegan recipes, but this book is all plant-based Caribbean inspired recipes. So I'm very excited by it. And honestly, just flipping through this book, it looks so good.
Oh yeah.
I've actually made one thing already from it, just for like me. I made their chili.
Oh.
This Caribbean chili con carne.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was really good and really easy to make. So I really liked it. So we're gonna make
Whoa.
3 recipes from this book and let you know if it's worth the purchase. So the first one we're doing is we're gonna do coconut pancakes with, now they have with warm blueberries, like a blueberry compote. I did not get blueberries because I'm not a blueberry gal. But we'll either make some fruit compote, but the main recipe is the coconut pancakes.
Yes.
So the coconut pancakes. And then we're gonna make a spicy coconut ramen, which like
coconut.
yeah, looks so good though.
It does look really good. I'm here
Like-
for it. I'm ready.
Right?
Is it
I'm
ready?
really excited
I want
for
to eat
this.
it.
And then lastly, for dessert,
Ooh.
we're gonna make something I feel like we don't make very often. Like, this is a dessert that we wouldn't necessarily choose from a book to make.
True.
Hutch picked it. I'm actually very excited for it. It's this sticky ginger cake.
Ooh, cake.
Yeah, it looks really good. I'm really excited about it. The only thing to note is I couldn't find one of the ingredients, golden syrup. I know what it is, and I know we can get it in Canada, but I could not find it. And from what I could tell, it might be a seasonal product in Canada, at least at some grocery stores. So I couldn't find it. We're gonna replace it with maple syrup and hope for the best.
Hopefully that's okay. Other than that, we are going to try to follow the instructions carefully.
I got everything else, I hope, that we need, so we should be okay.
Okay, let's hope for the best.
We're gonna start with the cake actually though.
Plan
The
for the
cake
worst.
takes like 40 something minutes to bake and then we gotta let it cool. So we'll start with the cake.
Wonderful.
Do we want to divide and conquer? Or do we want to each share the load of one recipe at a time? How do we normally do it?
Usually I think we would try to divide,
Okay.
unless it's a really complicated recipe, then
Yeah.
we would do it together.
Yeah.
Do you want me to like prep some stuff for
For the
ramen
other
or
thing?
something?
Sure. Yeah, let's do
Just-
that.
Yeah, how can I be helpful here without screwing anything up?
I don't know.
Oyster mushrooms?
Like there's like garlic cloves that you can finely chop.
Hell yeah.
Pak choy, which bok choy is in the fridge, just
Hell.
quartered lengthwise.
Yeah. Okie.
Okay, I'll start on the cake.
Now, first step is read the entire recipe all the way through.
Let's do it. I'm actually gonna read the intro and everything because
Okay.
usually they have some
I
snippets
think
there.
It's
A warm and comforting cake that makes you go. So another thing that they note in this recipe is self-raising flour,
Oh.
which apparently is very popular in Caribbean cooking. I did not know. I don't have self-raising flour, but I looked up like a DIY how to do it. It's basically, I think, all-purpose flour that has baking soda already in it.
Okay.
So we'll have to look up that DIY version and just make it ourselves because it requires it for also the pancakes. I'm excited.
Okay.
It seems simple enough. I've made cakes and desserts before. I think it
Sure.
should be easy to handle.
Totally.
But we will see.
We will see.
We also have something baking, so I'm not going to preheat anything yet or change temperatures. But
Should I do the pancakes first instead?
you want to make some pancakes?
Yeah.
Let's read through the pancakes. Okay, so you have to toast the coconut first in the
Whoa.
frying pan until
Never mind,
golden.
I'm Okay. I can
Do you
this.
want to get everything out you need first before I switch pages? Let me check what we're baking.
Oh my gosh. What am I missing? Vanilla. I'm just gonna stir with this knife.
Oh, why not? And a half tablespoon of butter. What's that?
Got that.
You got that in there, right?
Got that.
Okay.
Just some
Teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay, and then we're gonna combine, and then we are gonna make some pancakes.
Oh yeah.
I hope this is hot enough. It's probably not, but I got excited. Does this feel thick to you?
I don't know, just how thick is it supposed to be?
It just said sloppy, right?
I don't know, kind of seems like slop. There we go.
Okay. Oh my, stop. I should stop. That's kind of small, but it's okay.
And I'm still mixing for the cake. Just getting this to melt. I had a size issue.
I'm gonna have some pancakes for you. I'm making a pancake. You're making an oven cake.
Yeah.
Oven cake.
Yeah.
I can smell the ginger.
Me too. I'm so
Wow.
excited.
I'm gonna try adding another pancake to this pan of cakes. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's okay.
Do what feels right to you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it smells so good.
Do you think this is gonna be like gingerbread?
It could be similar to gingerbread.
I'm seeing
yeah.
a lot of gingerbread ingredients.
Actually, yeah,
here.
molasses.
I'm seeing a lot of gingerbread like
ginger, cinnamon,
things
nutmeg.
happening here, and
Yeah, it actually will probably be like gingerbread.
I'm excited. That looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you happy with it? You just spilled on the book.
Good cookbooks have
Oh my
stains.
gosh.
I am happy with it.
Great.
Ooh, it tastes good.
Great. Woo! Oh, I think I could fit another one here. Okay. Let's get her. Get it.
Okay, and then give it a shake so it spreads out evenly. This is gonna actually be a pretty thick cake.
It doesn't look that thick in the picture.
But my pan is
Hard
bigger.
to tell. Oh. What?
And this feels really tall.
Maybe it's just hard to tell in the picture.
Maybe.
Because it's top down.
Yeah, but
Who
okay,
knows?
this goes into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, that's a big cake.
Right?
That's okay. Cake for
I think it might
days.
take more than 35 minutes, but
Yeah.
we'll see. Okay, at least there's a lot of people here to eat it.
Yeah, so you just like clean up
Well, pancakes.
and then we'll make ramen. Da 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 da!
Da-da-da-da!
Oh, I am ready.
We're gonna try the pancakes.
Here they are. Here they are.
I made this strawberry compote.
Oh wow, you're so
You
talented.
did not.
Just move that
I
away.
microwaved some jam.
Shush, shush, shush. But it's doing the job.
It really is.
I wish it was blueberry.
I don't have blueberry jam in this house.
We don't allow for blueberry in this house.
Okay, time to try these pancakes. They were thicker than Devin was expecting. And probably me too, but
Probably.
they look delicious. We should put jam in all of them.
I need to taste without the jam.
Yeah.
Just taste the coconut.
I think I'd even put more coconut in this.
It's more subtle than I was expecting.
Yeah.
Which,
It's nice.
it's still a nice pancake.
But I think I might put even more like desiccated coconut in it.
Yeah.
Really nice. I actually really like these. They got kind of like a bready texture, which I don't mind. I honestly feel like you could make this and like use these as a breakfast sandwich bread.
Ooh.
I think that would be really nice.
Because the pancake isn't that sweet,
No.
which I like.
I actually really like these.
Good job. Me.
Good job.
We did it. One recipe down.
The cake is baking.
Cake is basically down.
We just got ramen in there.
So exciting. We're gonna work on that together.
Yeah.
And that kind of worked out really nice.
Yeah, it really did.
Okay,
Our final recipe that we're gonna cook together.
we're doing it together.
Did you decide which part you wanted to do? We divided it kind of in half. Do you want to do like the toppings, or do you want to do the broth?
I want to do the broth.
You want to do? That's fine. I'll do the toppings.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want help with the toppings though?
No, I can chop stuff up. The broth can sit on the stove. The longer it sits and cooks, the more flavor.
So you want me to get started on that?
So I just mean we can start at the same time. Is there anything you need prepped for yours?
Okay. Okay. Okie dokie.
Wow, it's a little messy in here.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Have you felt incredibly relaxed doing this cookbook review?
Kind of. Why?
I just feel like that's not normal for our
Why are you
cookbook
saying
reviews.
it? Why are you pointing
No,
it out?
I have too. I'm pointing it out because it's not normal.
Yeah, but you're gonna get bad.
I'm gonna make it bad.
Yeah, it's gonna go bad.
No, I think it's actually going great.
We don't draw attention.
I think we picked things very much in our wheelhouse.
Okay, okay.
And like, it was nothing too complicated, nothing too out of like our norm.
Okay. I see what you're saying.
And like we were able to find all the ingredients for the most part.
Yeah, this is all true.
And we only had 3 recipes, so we were able to like kind of slow down, take our time.
Yeah, no, that's also important.
This is a new frontier for cookbook reviews.
I think this is better for us to like do the cookbook justice.
2023 is going to be a great calm year for cookbook reviews.
Boring. No. Well, maybe nothing else on the channel will be calm.
No, absolutely not.
So these need to be more professional.
I will say, so like we mentioned, I don't know which video back, that we had taken like a 2-month break from filming.
Yeah.
This is the first day where I feel like kind of like back in the element and not chaos.
Not chaos. Do-do-do. Heat the stock and coconut milk gently. What does that mean?
Like on a low heat.
Low heat. Okay.
Oh, that's not open. I thought you opened it.
Oh, no, sorry. I didn't get that far.
You said, can I open it?
I opened the halfway. Then I got distracted.
Wow, such a dark lace.
Ooh.
Right?
I like it.
Me too. It gives it that nice like color.
Yeah.
Okay, so this, it says to take this tofu and chop it into 4 slices. So do you think I should cut it in half and then in half again? Okay. Because I was like, I could do it this way, but that feels not what he did.
Yeah.
But then I was like, I could do it this way. I was like, also feels too thin, so I think it's like that.
I think so.
Okay. I think that is one thing I will mention about this book, is I think, like most books, but I think there are some books that do it better, where I think they assume you know some things. So I think if you're a complete beginner cook, it might be a little bit more difficult for you to follow this book.
That's fair. And it, you know, not every cookbook can be a beginner.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. I think this one is just designed for someone who's comfortable in the kitchen.
Oh.
You are comfortable in the kitchen.
I am out of my league.
Or who has some cooking experience.
Well, yeah, you could say that. It's been an experience.
That experience is experience.
Experience. It's something. Okay, I think that is heated. Which one should I pick?
I don't know.
A red one?
Sure.
This one.
Red means hot.
I'm doing it.
I think they all mean hot.
I'm doing it.
Scotch bonnet is 40 times hotter than a jalapeno.
Calm down. There's our broth. There's our toppings.
Well, our add-ins.
Or sorry, our add-in.
Yeah, because we add it to the broth, right?
Yes.
That's what he says? Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Well, no.
Oh, no?
No, I think you serve it into the bowls
Oh,
first,
and then add it
and
in.
then add
Okay, got it.
and then it's the tofu.
Honestly, I'm really excited about this.
Yes.
It looks really yummy. And everything smells so good. That's probably enough, right?
Probably one of the things.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how to gracefully do this.
No, fair.
Is there
It's hard to gracefully do it when you cook it in the broth.
Yeah.
Oh, it's delicious.
That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good too.
Are you ready to try this?
I'm so excited. Because it's such a darker color, it looks like it's gonna be peanut butter,
Yeah.
but it's not.
Yeah, I will say it looks very different than the photo,
And we didn't have as much broth,
Yeah.
even though we followed the same
Yeah.
quantities.
but oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so good.
That broth is, I want more of that broth because it is really good.
Oh my goodness, I love it.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Oh wow.
Do I just like take a bite out of it? Okay.
Yep. Good.
Oh, the glaze. Oh my gosh.
Oh my, it's so good.
I love this.
Would make again. I would add more broth.
Yes.
It's very creamy.
Yeah.
Like in a thick way. More broth. I think I'd add more coconut milk. Really get that coconut flavor there. It is so good. And not, I would say this is not spicy. But I'm okay with that. I also would make that tofu glaze for so many other things. It's really good.
1000%. We need to try the cake and then come back to this ASAP.
Mm-hmm.
It looks so good. Whoa! Whoa!
That looks delicious.
Oh my gosh.
That looks delicious.
Smells very gingery.
I will say another thing. Ours looks less sticky on top. It could be the syrup, like maple syrup could absorb differently than the golden syrup, but
That's okay.
it looks so good.
That's okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's so light. Oh my god. I love this. Oh, this is so good. It's not that sweet.
I was just gonna say that.
I thought it was gonna be way sweeter than this, because there's brown sugar and maple syrup, and it was topped with maple syrup.
Oh, that's so good.
I love this.
It's so light and fluffy. What the heck?
It's so good.
No, what the heck?
This is delicious. Honestly, nothing was bad in this cookbook that we've tried so far. It's really good.
And everything went pretty smoothly.
Yeah, honestly,
Surprising.
I didn't feel panicked at any point in this cookbook review.
No.
It was chill, it was relaxed, we made really good food. I would recommend.
I feel like our main takeaway is that it might not be the best for beginners.
Yeah, there are some like things you need to know. They expect the reader of this book to know some cooking things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But other than that, everything great.
I think it lives up to the quick and easy. Because honestly, everything was really easy.
Yeah.
I loved it. Honestly, highly recommend.
So good.
So good.
Okay, in the comments, let us know if you have it, if you've tried any recipes. And as usual, even though we already have a selection of cookbooks we need to test,
Tell us more.
tell us your favorite ones right now that maybe we haven't tested or anything. And we'll try to do more.
I'm so happy.
But really, we just need to eat this right now.
Oh my god.
It's too good. So make
my
sure
God.
that you subscribe and have a nice day.
Goodbye.